So we're starting the process of putting down the floor. Show you what we've decided to do. So this is all the old wood. We've processed it and cut it all on the, you know, like the joiner, the planer, table saw, all the tools, and ripped it down. It's five inches wide. We just went with 5 inches because. And then you can see we're just drilling out peg holes that we're going to fill with oak dowels. And we are basically starting to just do the border around this whole room. And we were thinking 3 rows. So 15 inches or so of this old lumber will go around the whole perimeter. Once that's done, inside of it, we're going to be putting the ash. So the ash, if you don't know, it's a really light wood, but it has some dark grain in it. And then this lumber, obviously, once sanded and oiled, will be very dark. So it should look pretty good. Just going to take some time. Because, you know, obviously, drilling and pegging, screwing it all down, it's going to take a little while. And I don't really feel like doing it, but Sarah's making me right now. I have to obviously work a little bit, but I just don't want to.
As the years go by, we might get older, but love will grow stronger. I don't need more time to know that forever, love, you will be mine through it all, my dear. I will be stronger. I don't need more time to know that forever, love, you will be mine through it all, my dear. I will be yours year after year.
Okay, here we go. Yesterday, Sarah and I were successful in getting the border done. I hope you can see kind of like what we're going for here. Kind of did like a interesting design with the old wood. All the corners look like that. It's gonna look pretty cool once it's all sanded and everything. Obviously a lot of plugging to do. Like this line here with the old wood that goes that way, and then you can see where I'm going around the closet. And what I'm thinking is, when we first walk into the room from over here, you know, kind of want to have like one solid piece, probably have to be two pieces of ash, but they go from this line, this old wood, to that old wood. I don't know if I'm making any sense right now. I hope so. But basically, I just got to get this on the line. This might be really hard to do. Made some pretty good progress on the floor. I'd say we got half of the ash cut and ready to be. Oh, we're gonna peg this down too, and we're gonna nail it. Sarah is starting the daunting task of plugging thy holes. No, some of those might not have screws.
Yeah, I'm skipping those.
Oh, cool.
That one.
We ran out of screws.
That one.
Seems to work good.
Yeah. The new blade is like magic.
Mm-hmm.
She's sitting on my lap. It is reminiscent of when I did this in the whole upstairs, right?
Yeah. And you were kind of on her lap when you were doing that too.
Do you remember?
I was sitting right here.
You were in mommy's.
Sitting right
You were
here.
in mommy's belly.
I know.
It was almost 6 years ago.
All right, let's take a look.
Isn't that cool? So we got a good system, Dad.
Between the two of you?
Yeah. She's a good
That
help.
ear was itchy. Take a video now.
I've been recording the whole time.
So, okay, now you push it in. Good? Okay. Okay, push it in. Oh, missed. Sometimes they're hard to get in. Good? We'll do this one. Choop. Okay, push it in.
I do not want to go in.
Hit it with the hammer.
Okay, and then went in now. I tried to glue her toes into it too. Are you hammering right-handed?
Mm.
Okay. And then
Okay.
she grabs them.
Working on this floor here, we've been doing this for 7 months now, and I think we've almost got the first piece ready. We're trying to do a full piece here that touches the old wood here, and then it goes all the way through, as you can see, and it touches the old wood over here. And I think we've accomplished that. And it's a relatively straight piece of wood and everything, jointed. The cracks here are pretty good, really. For what it is, it looks good. Nothing's square, so we're having to cut like the ends here unsquare to just look good. I think that's okay. And I think what we're going to do is actually attach this piece down, and then we're going to work tight from this corner that way, and then from this corner that way. It's planed. We planed it. It looks really good. Ash is pretty amazing stuff. I like it a lot. So from here, we're just gonna drill and screw it down with some like 3 or 4 inch screws.
Waste your time. Waste your time.
These are 4 inch screws
Waste your
with an extra washer.
Waste your time.
I mean, that's gonna be solid as the floor could be, probably.
Waste your time. Waste your time.
Why don't we just do this one and watch it for the week? Because those other ones cupped in a week. So if this is going to cup more after planing it, we'll know.
Yeah.
If it cups more than what, well, you know, these screws will hold too, but I don't think it will.
You know how sometimes when you're nailing or screwing, the board like splits open? We don't want that to happen.
Okay. These should hold it down forever. Ready?
You wanna push? Push, Daddy? Woo!
There we go. Think that's good?
Mhm.
Jump up and down right on there and I'll see if it moves. That just broke.
Oh, fun.
Smash! Ah!
It broke too?
Yep.
Can you turn your drill down or something? It broke too?
Yeah. Yeah.
What the heck? We're not having good luck with that. Well, we might as well do a third one right in the middle.
Yeah, so what's going on too is it's not sitting flat right here. You know?
It's like every 4 break.
It's getting annoying.
It's significantly higher.
I think that's going to do it for this video here. We haven't worked any more on the floor. It's taking a long time. I know that we're going to eventually get through it, obviously, but I probably won't show any more of the process. I'll just show you when it's done. But that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time we turn the camera on. Have a good week, everybody.